Hello and welcome to this new video. Today I will show you how to create a bending program for your AMADA bending machine with the AMNC 3i control using our PN4000 software. First, we import a 3D model. You can import all common 3D formats with our software. This means that whether it's a step file, SolidWorks file, Inventor file, or many others, you can import all of these files. We want to program this component today. First, we select our bending machine. With our software, you can also create programs for many other machine manufacturers, whether TRUMPF, Bystronic, Safan, or many others. Our software is compatible, and you can program any machine. Once the machine has been selected, we can start the automatic calculation right away. PN4000 now begins to calculate the bending sequence, tools, and stop position. Once this is complete, you can start a simulation at any time and see exactly how the component will be manufactured on your machine. Of course, you can also make manual changes. The bending sequence, tools, and stop positions can be changed afterwards. But in this case, I like the result and want to generate my NC program right away. The NC program has now been saved in the background. In addition, I could now generate a setup plan. This is a document for the machine operator in which all the important information for this program is listed again. Finally, I would send the NC program directly to my bending machine via send files and could bend the component. Now, we want to create a laser program, so we'll unfold this component. Set our laser processing for our AMADA. And create our nesting. Our nesting is now complete, our component has been nested, and we now have our NC program for our AMADA laser and bending machine. For more information, please visit WiCAM.com.